This customer has the whole red and black theme going on, and he's carrying it all the way through the car. Seat belts and such. Well, now we're going to change the center console, the red stitched boot on the new console, as well as this surround. This surround, he has the new one that is black, and it has the black center here. Also, he has a new e-brake handle with the carbon. Removing this console is actually pretty easy. The first thing you're going to do is remove the shift knob. Typically there is a 14mm lock nut under there, so it will lock this in place. This one doesn't have it. The rest of this is clipped down. So you're going to start in this back section. You can either use a plastic tool around here. Just be careful. I like to use my fingers and just bring it up a little at a time. Don't bend this up too far because you will break it here. So typically a little bit at a time, just nice and easy. They're the two plugs. And again, it's pretty straightforward. It's a standard Honda plug. So the bolt-in is exactly the same. Now this little electrical plug is slightly different. As you see, the other one had a tab on here. This one has a plug here. So it's a single wire. You've just got to connect those. If you can get the other end of this, you can put it on this end. If not, you can put your own bullet connector on there. So this came with the Alcantara shift boot. Yellow Stitch, he wants everything red, so this is one of our shift boots. We have them back in stock, by the way. We're out for quite a while. We just got a big order in, so that will match everything else that's going on with the red stitched.
All right, so taking this dash trim out, you've got to drop the console. It won't get by there without dropping it. So I've got that down. I've got those two screws out, one there, and then the rest is just clips and it comes out. Then you have to unplug everything. We'll get everything switched over to the new piece that's over there on the table and get the black one put in here. This is out of a newer vehicle, obviously, that had the VSA, and the AP one does not. So I'll get that switch. There's the AP2 cluster surround with all the black switches.
That one is leaving, this is next. This one is getting a valve adjustment, spoon, collarless front and rear, and diff mounts. We'll get this up on the lift. You can take a look, we'll show you what that entails. So it's picking up an oil smell. It was all wet down the front here. This is common area to check on an S2000. Look down here. A lot of it will come from the VTEC solenoid or the TCT. Also check those hoses down there. They will often become saturated with oil, which they look pretty dry. So it might be just the valve cover gasket, which is going to get part of doing the valve adjustment. These clips are notorious for breaking, so we'll see the 06 and ups have better coil clips, but we'll see that has to be removed. Coil clips have to come off. Very festive, Esther.
Oh, I don't have my snowflake.
It's okay, you got it on your head.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. So Christmas decorations flying off the shelf.
They are. I'm so excited.
So Esther is now having to give up what she was doing to come in and make Christmas ornaments because they're selling way faster than we expected. I mean, 1,000%. What's the internet say? 1,000% faster than yesterday?
They're just all gone.
They're crazy. Yeah. So get your Christmas decoration now. This is the last video before Christmas, folks. Yes. This is coming up on a separate video. I'm not even going to talk about this. Yeah. Even the blue coil clips are broken. Typically the blue ones we found are a little bit better. We do sell these in the store. We've shown you how to do them. We've been talking about the girl shirts. This is it right here. It comes right past your butt. It's got the little finger things in there, which chicks love that for some reason.
They do.
I don't know why, but they really like
leggings.
that.
This is what I like.
You wear that with anything or without leggings. Christmas is coming up. So this is it. It's the same patch on the guys' shirts as well as the girls. The girls have the white and the gray.
Yeah, they have
the
two.
Guys are black in here, which is really cool with the black drawstrings. I'll show you that. The picture is going to be up. You can get an idea. Then the other one is the long sleeved t-shirt, which I am wearing. Got the LHT on the arm, and it's in like a really sparkly silver, so it contrasts really nice against the black. And then the back, we've got the S2000.
Turn to the
same
sun.
Angle.
Yeah, let's turn to the sun. Let's see. You can see that sparkly.
It's the same angle as that patch on the front, and it's our car, so you get to see actually what we are selling. So this is it. We have them in the long sleeved and the hoodies for the guys, and the girls are in the store now. That's the guys' long sleeve right there. Black drawstrings, black inside the hood. Slightly different color, but really, really nice soft fabric. Look at that. Looks even good with the hood up. You'd do anything in this thing.
I love that the hood is black on the inside.
I like it. It contrasts with these laces really nice.
Yeah.
That is really cool. There we go. Nothing says Christmas like having a red round thing on your Nissan Rogue and those stick things sticking up too. The reindeer has to go pick up some little people from school. These are our coil clips. If you order them from us, this is how they look. You're going to get the tool with it. It's going to allow you to remove your old ones if they don't just disintegrate, and install these. These are a direct install on your harness. Super easy. We're going to change the plugs too because they look a little brown. The gap looks massive, and with the mileage, it's a good idea to do those. It'll definitely run a whole lot better.
All right, when you get your coil clip package, what I like to do, I put a paper towel on the airbox lid. I get my 2 parts ready and flip this one over so that it's the same direction as the one I'm taking off. That way I don't have to really think about it. Get that one off, slide the connector off, slide this one on, and we're good to go. So when you get your pins loose, slide that one off and hold the 3 like that. Slide the new one on. Make sure your 3 clicks and you're good to go.
Cool. Can I hang it up?
Yeah.
Thank you. Nice elf outfit, by the way. Was it Elf Day today?
Yeah. It kind of looks like Mrs. Claus.
It does a little bit. I like it. She made this for me too. I love that. We are still packing for the store. We've got a whole bunch of big orders going out. We're trying to put something special in every single one. So thank you so much for ordering from us and supporting the store. I think Thursday is going to be the last day for you to get it before Christmas. Everything is going 2 to 3 days. Even Hawaii, they're getting their packages in 3 days. This one's going to Hawaii. Yesterday we had 3 orders going to Hawaii, and you guys are getting them in 3 days, which is unbelievable. So Thursday is probably going to be the last day. They're in the store when you see this. I'm going to show you a quick photo shoot of what we did. Heavily store inventory right now, so long sleeve shirts are going in stock. We've got them in our nice bins. Going through the hoodies right here, more hoodies right there. If you see this video, they are in the store. Go ahead and get them now. I was going to say this is the last video before Christmas, but it might not be. You guys might get another one, so don't forget, hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the share, hit the store, and we'll see you on the next video.
Don't forget, enjoy your hoodie.
That's right.
And your car.